Okay. So direct and indirect speech is our topic. Then we have to solve the examples in the case of assertive sentences. How to change from direct to indirect. Okay. So first question. You are helping me a lot in all my problems. My friend said to me. My friend said to me. See here. So if the sentence in inverted comma comes first, then you may use comma here. You may not use comma here. Then next, my friend said to me, this M, it will not be there in capital form. Okay. So this is how the question is. Now let us solve it. So first we have to check the sentence given in inverted comma. So what is that? You are helping me a lot in all my problems. It is an assertive sentence and it is in which form of tense? Are helping me. Okay. You are helping me means present continuous. Okay. It is present continuous and when it is, see another thing, my friend said. See here, our reporting verb, it is in past tense and the sentence given in inverted comma, it is not universal truth, it is not a historical fact and it is not even an imagination, right? So that is why what we have to do, children, we have to change the tense of this sentence. So let us change the sentence from direct to indirect in this manner. See, my friend, so answer goes like this. My friend said or told me that. I have told yesterday. After told, you are not going to use the preposition to. So, my friend told me that. As it is an assertive sentence. See, reported speech is an assertive sentence. That is why I am using the conjunction that here. So, my friend told me that. Okay. Here you means who. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನನಗೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದ, ನೀನ್ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು my friend said me that so present continuous should get changed to past continuous, right? My friend told me that I was, okay, helping him or her. We don't know, friend, whether she is a girl or whether she is a boy. That we don't know. No? So that is why we can take he or she. Okay. I was helping him or her. Today we will take it as a girlfriend. Okay. So I was helping her a lot. Okay. In all her problems. So my friend told me that I was helping her. You are helping me. Present continuous got changed to past continuous. See here. I was helping her a lot in all her problems. Okay, this is the first question. Now let us go for the second question. Children, any doubt? Any doubt you have about this? No doubt. Okay. Then let us go for the next question. Yes. Second one is the class leader said to the HM. Said to the HM, headmaster. The boys will not, the boys will not obey the instructions. The boys will not obey the instructions. Okay, yes. Now, first we have to check the reporting verb. The reporting verb is in past tense. Then, next one, we have to check the sentence given in inverted commas. Reported speech, we have to check. The boys will not obey the instructions. So, this is an assertive sentence, right? Again, it is not universal fact. It is not a historical event, and again it is not an imagination. So that is why what we have to do, we have to change the tense of the sentence here. Okay, the boys will not obey. See here, will not. So for will, what is the past tense form, children? It is would, right? Now let us change it to indirect speech. See here, let us write it like this. The class leader complained. Okay, so he is complaining the headmaster, no, about his classmates, right? The class leader complained or told. You can use either of them. The class leader told the HM or said to the HM that, okay, the boys would not obey the instructions. The class leader told the HM that the boys would not obey the instructions. This is how we have to change. Again, children, do you have any doubt? Okay, very nice. Then now shall I give you the questions and will you answer it for me? Shall we go for discussion or you want me to solve a few more examples? Questions ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? ಎತ್ರಿ ನೋಡುವ ಕೈ. Okay, very nice. Then I will give you the questions. You will solve it on your own. Okay? Yes. Take down the question. Maybe you also take down the question. If anybody has got network problem and if it is possible for anybody to come here and attend the class, you can do that. Okay? Yes. My question. We shall attend the classes regularly. My sister said. We shall attend the classes regularly. My sister said. Yes, your time starts now. Yes, ready? Swati? Okay, now let us take the answer from Swati today. Okay, Swati, tell me the answer. Did you wrote the answer? Written? Very good. Yes, Swati.
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me the answer.
My sister
My sister,
told that
yeah, told that my sister,
we would
that
we would
we would, we would,
attend
we would attend
the classes regularly.
the classes regularly. Okay. Anybody wants change here? Anybody wants a change? Anybody feel that there should be a small change in this answer? Shreya?
Mataji, that they would be.
What, Marie?
My sister told that they would attend the classes regularly.
So they, because we don't know, no? Huh? So my sister said to me that, said, my sister said, to whom it is not told here, right? ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳದ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. My sister said, to whom it is not told. That is why instead of taking we, let us take they. Okay, Swati? Yes. So my sister told me that they would attend the classes regularly is the correct answer. Okay. Now let us take another example. Prem, said the teacher, so you will pass the exam only if you work hard. Yes, solve it. Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi?
Yes, Mataji.
What doubt you have, Adi?
Maji, instead of would, can we use should?
It is always said that, okay, instead when shall or will is there, no, you have to use would in indirect speech. Should is not preferred. Is that okay?
Okay, Mataji.
Nice. Instead of shall in a past tense and should ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. Shall ಮತ್ತೆ will ಇದ್ದಾಗ you take it would. Yes. Now solve this one. Prem, said the teacher, you will pass the exam only if you work hard. Prem, said the teacher, you will pass the exam only if you work hard. Okay, how many of you are ready with the answer? Raise your hands. Medini's answer is 90% right. Purnachandra Hegde.
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me the answer.
Prem told the
Prem told the
teacher that
hmm,
he will
hmm,
pass the exam
hmm.
only if he works hard.
Okay. Yes, let us take answer from someone else. Purnachandra, be careful. Listen here properly. Your answer is not correct. Okay. So, when I correct the answer here, you check it. Understand it. Yes. Yes, Anudhi, what is your answer?
The teacher told to Prem that
Told you have to cancel two there. You should not use two there. Madhu.
the teacher told Prem that
Okay. The
he
teacher
would
told.
pass, he would pass the exam
No,
only if
you
he
have to
works
change
hard.
it, Mari, because it is, you have to change it to indirect speech. ಹೌದಾ ನೀನು ಟೀಚರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಧ್ಯ ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀನ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪ್ರೇಮ್ನಿಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವನು ಸರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನಂತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀನು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಮಾತುಕತೆಯನ್ನ you are reporting to someone else. Howda, Anudhi. So that is why you cannot keep this you as it is. It should be changed to
He would.
It should be changed as ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ ಪ್ರೇಮನಿಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನಂತೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ took place between Prem and his teacher. You heard and you are telling it to someone else. ಅವಾಗ you ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ ನೀನು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಟೀಚರ್ ಪ್ರೇಮ್ನಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ
He
ನೀನು
would.
exactly instead of you what you have to tell he yes he would
Pass the exam
yes
only if he works hard.
Exactly, very nice. Okay, only if he works hard. So let us take it like this. See, Purnachandra, Prem did not tell anything. Purnachandra Hegde, Purnachandra Hegde, switch on your mic once.
Yes, Mataji.
See here, Mari, Prem did not tell anything. See, I have put Prem in inverted comma. Howda? I have put Prem in inverted comma. So the teacher said, Prem, okay, the teacher said, Prem, you will pass the exam only if you work hard. Understood? So, the teacher is talking to whom? Prem. That is why I have put this in inverted comma. Okay, you have to observe that. So, the teacher said to Prem or told Prem. The teacher said to Prem that, okay, he, instead of will, we have to use its past tense form. He would pass the exam only if he works hard. Only if he worked hard. Not worked, because you have to change it to past tense form. You work hard. See here, work hard. It is in present tense form. We have to change the tense of the sentence there. Okay. So the teacher said to Prem that he would pass the exam only if he worked hard. Meaning, what mistake you have done that you have understood, no? Only if he worked hard. Yes, children. Any doubt here? Yes, Shreya. What doubt you have, Marie?
Mataji, in that sentence, there is if, no?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳು ಮಗ.
Mataji, if ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
If
ಅದು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಏನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು?
You will pass the exam only if you work hard ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಾತಾಜಿ?
ಹಾ.
If ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹೌದು. If he worked hard, you have to change the tense of the whole sentence. Okay, even though there is if. Okay. So, ನೀನು object ಅನ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರವಾ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪ್ರಿಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಶ್ರೇಯಾ? Okay, once again I will check it for as you have asked it, no? So I will check it once again. So as per my information as of now, so this is the correct way. So again I am going to check it afterwards. If any change is there, no, I will inform you later in tomorrow's period. Is that okay? Or else I will tell it in the group also. Shreya?
Okay.
Very good. Thank you. Yes. Any other doubts? Any other doubt? Yes. Shall we go further? Shall we take another example? Say yes or no by raising your hands. Shall we take another example, children? Yes, very nice. Okay. Yes. Yes, my next question. Our teacher said to us, the blood is thicker than water. Yes, change it now. Yes, how many of you are ready? Okay, now we'll take answer from Aryan. Sushrita is also ready. We'll take the answer from Aryan. Aryan?
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me the answer.
Our teacher told us that.
Our teacher told us that. Yes.
The blood is thicker than water.
Thicker than water. Okay. So why didn't you change the tense here?
Mataji, because it is a universal truth.
Exactly. Very good. For the same reason, Medini, you two have not changed, no? Very nice. Okay. So the teacher told us that the blood is thicker than water is the correct answer. Here, do you have any doubt, children? Anybody has doubt? Shall we go for the next question? Yes. Who has doubt? Is that Abhiram? Is
Yes,
that
Mataji.
Abhiram? Tell me your
Yes,
doubt.
Mataji.
Yes, tell me your doubt.
Mataji, ಅದು ಅವರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ದೇರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಮರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂಗೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಅಸ್ ಇರೋದು ದೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, ಆರ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ಹರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬರೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ ಅಂತ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಅಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅಭಿರಾಮ್, ಡೌಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, very nice. Shall we go for next example, children? Yes, take down. Yes, take your question. After completing answering, raise your hands, okay? ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ರಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ದಂಗ್ ಕೈ ಎತ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ರೆಡಿ ಆದ್ರು? Shall we take answer from Sushrita now? Sushrita?
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me the answer.
The teacher said to the class that today it was clear, but it would rain heavily tomorrow.
But it would rain heavily tomorrow. Okay. So Abhiram, Sushrita, you have made small mistakes. Abhiram, do you agree with Sushrita's answer?
No, Mataji.
What is your answer? Tell me.
A teacher said to the class that that day it was clear, but it would rain heavily the following day.
The following day would be the correct answer. Very nice. Okay. So, what is Abhiram's answer? Let us write it here. Sushrita, see here. Today, it would change to that day. And tomorrow, the next day or the following day. Hoda? Yes. Now, Abhiram, tell me your answer. The teacher. Abhiram, the teacher said.
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me the answer. The teacher said it to the.
Said it to the class
class.
Class.
Huh.
That day,
The teacher said to the class that day, yes, that day it was clear, but it would rain. It would rain heavily the next or the following day. Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt? Yes. See here. It will rain. Howda? Will should be changed to past tense form. It would rain. Then anybody has doubt, children? Vaishnavi, do you have any doubt? Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi, can you hear me? Sushrita? Vaishnavi, Sushrita, can you hear me? नेटवर्क होता